the 2019 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. This model accommodates 5 passengers comfortably and provides features such as delay-off headlights, front and rear reading lights, variably intermittent wipers, skid plates, and a split folding rear seat. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, integrated rollover protection, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Call now to schedule a test drive.